Murugamiriri munene wa Ruhonge rwa kuramata Ferry guku bururi-ini Bakari Goa augite tabarira ino ya Waki wa Ndaraca gikiriro-ini kiu itanyitwo gukorwo ikihuthira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 5.8 na irigirirwo kurugurio mweri-ini wa gatano mwaka ukite na kuria Waki ucio ratanywo kuoya ihinda ria mieri 18.
The range of the fares will be between 20 to 30 to 50 up to 100 Kenya shillings, depending on the mode and type of operation.
Tukumbi tugukorwo tukigerera mikanda iguru na kuria irikoragwo igikiriria athii 5,500 hari ithaa rimwe kwa ihinda inini tu ria ndagika 3.
We have a new technology to move people. This is the cable car transport. Remember, most people are aware of cable cars for use in mountain areas. The purpose for the cable cars in mountain areas is basically to carry you across an obstacle. But what's the biggest obstacle for us in our cities? Traffic jam. So what we're trying to do is use cable cars to carry people across traffic jams. And that's very important, I think, for it to be realized that the current use of cable cars in urban environments is to carry people across above the traffic jams. This is where we're going to decongest the cities.
Muigai wa bodi ya Ruhonge ruru Safe Kajebe augite tukari tu ni tukuhuthia mithiire gikiriro-ini kiu udumwe na gukorwo ari njira imwe ya kuguciriria agendi mwena wa gicua-ini.
This will not stop not only tourists or pedestrians who cross the Likoni and Mtongwe channels. Ferries will still be there. This one will be the best way of crossing the channel. Yes, it will be quicker and everybody will like it.
Makiria ma andu 300,000 na ngari 5,000 nicihuthagira gikiriro kiu kia Likoni oro muthenya. Muigai wa Gathungo, mutamburuko wa mohoro.